आनंद उत्कर्ष मंडळाचे प्रोग्राम्साचे थोडेचे म्हाका मेमरीज आसा ती ते हांव शेअर करता असो. तांगेले कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्सान तूं ड्रामा आसा, फॅन्सी ड्रेस, पॅन्टोमाइम, म्युजीक हे सगळें आसतालें. मागीर वेरायटी एंटरटेनमेंटान तूं चिल्ड्रन्स प्रोग्रामूय आसतालो. ते चिल्ड्रन्स प्रोग्राम्सान तूं सिंगींग आनी स्टोरी टेलिंग हें आसतालें. तातूंत स्टोरी टेलिंगान तूं शुभांगीक सेकंड प्राइज मेळ्ळेलें. त्या वेळार ती ल्हान आशिल्ली आनी मुदूर मामू वन ऑफ द जजीस आशिल्ल्या. ताणें म्हाका निमगेलें बरें हें खंयचें कशें कळ्ळें खंय जावन कळचें ताका. त्या वेळार हांव म्हळें म्हगेलो बापसून एक पण ती कशी काणी म्हणून सांगिल्ली तें उगडास आशिल्लें तें सिंगम तें कोण सांगिल्लें दिसता न्हय. तें जालें. मागीर चिल्ड्रन्सान तुवें विडा शिरालीने एक बाबूजेले गीत रामायण म्हणून एक सीन बसयल्लें. तें सीन बसयतना ताजे लिरिक्स हांवेंच म्हणलेले. तातूंत तें सीन घुमटें जालें. तें वेल एप्रिशिएटेड बाय दी ऑडियन्स. मागीर व्हड्डांगले कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्सान तूं सिंगींग म्युजिकाच्यान तूं हांवें पार्टिसिपेट केलेलें. तातूंत जय गंगे भागीरथी हर गंगे भागीरथी हें पद म्हळेलें. तें भारी लायक जालें लोकांक.
That was a great talk by Gurudutt Ma'am. Now we move on to Vijay. If you're there, can you share your screen and unmute yourself? Oh, you're ready, all set to go.
Yeah.
Okay, over to you.
कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब है. वो कल भी पास पास थी वो आज भी करीब है. वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब है. वो कल भी पास पास थी वो आज भी करीब है. वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी. झुकी हुई निगाह में कहीं मेरा ख्याल था. दबी दबी हंसी में एक हसीन सा गुलाल था. मैं सोचता था मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो. मैं सोचता था मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो. न जाने क्यों लगा मुझे कि मुस्कुरा रही है वो. वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Vijay. Mangala, if you're ready, you can start playing now.
Hello. भय इथले संपत नाही, भय इथले संपत नाही, मज तुझी आठवण येते, मी संध्याकाळी गातो, मी संध्याकाळी गातो, तू मला शिकवली गाणी, माझं इथले संपत नाही, भय इथले संपत नाही. ते झरे चंद्र सजनाचे, ते झरे चंद्र सजनाचे, ती धरती भगवी माया, झाडाशी निजलो आपण, झाडाशी निजलो आपण, झाडात पुन्हा उगवाया, भय इथले संपत नाही, मज तुझी आठवण येते, भय इथले संपत नाही. Thank you.
Thank you, Mangala. That was a wonderful performance.
Thank you.
Thanks, Vijay, for that great Rajesh Khanna Vaida song. I remember it and I know it pretty well. And Mangala, we enjoyed your song immensely. I think it was written for a Marathi serial, one of those cases where the song became way more famous than the serial itself. Of course, the song had Rag Yaman to help it along. That's probably why it's so famous. Now we come to the second lucky draw of the day. So I hand you over again to Rekha.
Rekha Magal Naukadi.
Sorry. Okay, so I won't talk as much as I spoke the last time, because now all of us know what we are going to do. So I have added a few more names which I saw on the screen, and I'll run the software again. Oh, Mangala Kulkarni. हांव नाडकर्णी म्हणलें actually. Mangala Kulkarni आसवा?
भय आसा.
खंय आसा? Can we see her?
एक मिनिट व्हिडिओ ऑन करता. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Mangala.
It's all going to the Bellare family, I think, today. Bellare family is lucky.
Congrats, Mangala. Congrats. God bless you.
Thanks, Subhash. Thanks.
Prashant,
congratulations. Yeah. Coming back to our program, the next we have up is a mega family pack. We have 3 generations of a very talented family, some of whom I know very well. I was their neighbor for 20 years. Singing, drawing, painting, rangoli, anything they touch, they excel at. We first have a talk by Gauram Kundapur Ma'am and Anuradha Pachi. Then we have their son, Rajiv Kundapur, singing a song. After that, we have Rajiv's elder son, Tanmay, singing a song. Followed again by Rajiv's younger son, Ishan, singing a song. So we have 4 items, all from the same family. Let's start with Gaurang Ma'am's talk.
I address you all today as members of the Guru Prasad family. I feel proud that GP Swaramala is creating this growing family by bringing together present and former residents of Guru Prasad Society through music, dance and goodwill. It is doing this with ever-flowing blessings and prasad of all our Gurus. Right now, GP Swaramala is showing you online the overflowing talent in this Guru Prasad family. Some of them are as far away as Australia and the US. I am happy many original residents from 61 years ago are still here, some in their 90s. I clearly remember Anandashram Swamiji with Parijnanashram Shishya Swamiji beside him performing the Bhumi Pujan of our Guru Prasad Cooperative Housing Society on 12th March 1959. Guru Swamiji and Shishya Swamiji stayed with us all for a week in February 1964 in building number 2. Satyoja Shankarashram Swamiji has thrice stayed with us, each time for week-long programs. He was here in December 1998, January 2005 and December 2012 and stayed both in building 1 and building 2. Swamiji blessed us again during a short visit on 18th December 2018. With this continuous prasad from our Gurus, Guru Prasad Society grew rapidly within 3.5 years from its registration in March 1958. Pioneers like Sheshgiri Kalbag and my uncle Devidas Servatte helped acquisition of 3 plots of land and planning, construction and occupation of 3 new buildings with 90 self-contained flats by September 1961. I was a witness to all these events and even a small participant.
Thank you, Gaurang ma'am. Now it's over to son Rajiv Kundapur. I know I can see your login, Rajiv. If you want to come onto the screen and unmute yourself. Oh, you unmuted yourself. Yeah. Wonderful. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can. We are ready to go.
Great. Thank you. इस मोड़ से जाते हैं, इस मोड़ से जाते हैं, कुछ सुस्त कदम रस्ते, कुछ तेज कदम राहें। इस मोड़ से जाते हैं, कुछ सुस्त कदम रस्ते, कुछ तेज कदम राहें। पत्थर की हवेली को शीशे के घरों में, तिनकों के नशे मन तक इस मोड़ से जाते हैं। इस मोड़ से जाते हैं। आंधी की तरह उड़कर एक राह गुजरती है, आंधी की तरह उड़कर एक राह गुजरती है। शर्माती हुई कोई कदमों से उतरती है इन रेशमी राहों में एक राह तो वो होगी तुम तक जो पहुंचती है इस मोड़ से जाती है इस मोड़ से जाते हैं। Thank you.
That was wonderful, Rajiv. Now next, Kundapura coming up.
No, solo. Solo. बंद कर हाँ कर -4 करो उसमें रीस्टार्ट
आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो हाय मर जाएंगे ऐसी oh sorry
Start from beginning.
Okay.
Start from beginning.
Okay. आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे ऐसी बातें किया ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें। तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें। जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम। जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम। तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा बात इतनी मेरी मान लो। आज जाने की जिद ना करो। आज जाने की जिद ना करो। थैंक यू।
Thanks for that.
रिस्टार्ट करो।
तन्मय तन्मय झाली शान।
जब दीप चले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप चले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार न बिसराना। जब दीप चले आना, जब शाम ढले आना। मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा। मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा। मेरी प्रीत का काजल तुम अपने नैनों में मले आना। जब दीप चले आना, जब शाम ढले आना। Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ishan. Okay, great songs from the Kundapur family. Just one small announcement to make. We are running a bit behind on the time, so we might go across the 2-hour mark. Now, if there are people who got other things to do, or 2 hours most that they can take, maybe we would be sorry to see you go, but we won't bad about it. But just let you know, we are roughly around the halfway mark of the program. I expect it to go on for about an hour. So if you can't make it, or you got something else lined up, yeah, please feel free to leave. But yeah, we would like to hang to as many people as possible. Thank you. Okay. Now we have a talk by Ashok Balsekar. Following that, there will be a song by Nirupama Hatangdi-Pachi and another by Eknath Rao Mam. So let me start with Dr. Ashok Balsekar's talk.
नमस्कार. आयजी आमगेल गुरुप्रसादाचे सेकंड रिवाइव्ड गेट टुगेदर. सुभाषान आनी विद्यान सांगलें की तूं 1-2 मिनिट उलय म्हणून. तशें ताणें सांगना, पूण म्हाका एकदम म्हालगड जालेलो वार फिलींग आयलें. म्हळ्यार हांव म्हालगड वची 70 वर्स म्हाका, म्हळ्यार हांव म्हालगड वची जाल्यार हांव कोणाकय एडवायस दिवचे बदलाक एक म्हगेलें मनोगत व्यक्त करता. मागशी वर्स 3 तारखेक आमगेलें रिवाइव्ड गेट टुगेदर जालें. ताजे मागशी वर्स आमगेलें बॉयज ओन्ली गेट टुगेदर जाल्लेलें, जाल्यार तातूंत एक पूर्णत्व नाशिल्लें, एक मजा नाशिल्ली, कारण स्त्री वर्ग नाशिल्लो. मागीर सुवर्णान सांगलें की, सुवर्ण होसकोटे वाघमोडे, तिणें सांगलें की ना अशें कशें जावचें, अशें जायच ना, आमी समज एक सगळ्यांक मेळून गेट टुगेदर करुया. आनी ती आयडिया सगळ्यांक आवडली. त्या प्रमाणे मागशे वर्स 3 तारखेक आमगेलें एक्चुअल गेट टुगेदर जालें. आनी ताजे नंतर वतच तुमकां आतां हे कोरोना माम आयलो. कोरोना माम आमी वर्च्युअल मिटींग करूं शिकली. इतलो आमगे लायफान फरक पडटा म्हूण आमी लेखी नाशिल्लें. वर्च्युअल मिटींग करूं शिकली. वर्च्युअल मिटींगान तूं आमी चड वेळ मेळूं शिकली जाल्यार वर्च्युअल मिटींग आमी एक्चुअल मिटींगाची मजा वर्च्युअल मिटींगान ना. ते आमी ती साणपणान तुले म्हगेले फ्रेंड्सांगेले फोन येता, ती शैलेश होसकोटे, दीपक नाडकर्णी, गिरीश, प्रबोध हांगेले फोन येता, तांगेले नाल्यार हांव तांकां करता. तांगेलें म्हणणें एकची, अरे बाबा आमी एक्चुअल केन्ना मेळचें, पूण एक्चुअल मेळची मजा ती वर्च्युअल मिटींगान ना. हांव म्हणून हय दाखल करचें. सो आमी आमगेले उपदेशाक प्रकार चोल न्हू, आनी तांगेल्या आशिर्वादाने आमी सगळे जाण ते प्राणायाम करूं शिकली. फिजिकल एक्सरसायज आनी डायट आनी कोर न्हू, सगळ्यांगेलें हेल्थ बरें आसा. आनी अगदी कमी लोकांक कोवीड जालें. तातूंत 99.99% लोक बरे जाले. अशें हांव प्रार्थना करता की हो कोरोना मामू आनी तागेलो मावस भावत नवीन आयला तो वग्गी वचो ती, आनी आमगेले गुरुंगल कृपेन सोम्यांगल कृपेन वग्गी आमी एकमेकांक एक्चुअल मेळो ती अशी प्रार्थना करता. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Ashok Dada. Nirupama Pachi, if you're ready, you can unmute yourself and sing.
जय जय हे जगदम्बे माता, जय जय हे जगदम्बे माता, द्वार तिहारे जो भी आता, द्वार तिहारे जो भी आता, बिन मांगे सब कुछ पा जाता। जय जय हे जगदम्बे माता, तू चाहे तो जीवन दे दे, चाहे पल में जीवन ले ले, तू चाहे तो जीवन ले ले, चाहे पल में जीवन ले ले। जन्म मरण सब हाथों में तेरे, हे शक्ति है माता। जय जय हे जगदम्बे माता जय जय हे जगदम्बे माता हे माता जय जय हे जगदम्बे माता. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you very much. Next we move on to Eknath Ma'am.
Come on, Eko.
चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन धीरे से सिराए मुस्काना चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन धीरे से सिराए मुस्काना मुझे दोष न देना जग वालों मुझे दोष न देना जग वालों हो जाऊं अगर मैं दीवाना चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन. ये काम कमान भवे तेरी पलकों के किनारे कजरारे ये काम कमान भवे तेरी पलकों के किनारे कजरारे गाते पर सिंदूरी सूरज होठों पे प्रढ़कते अंगारे साया भी जो तेरा पड़ जाए साया भी जो तेरा पड़ जाए आबाद हो दिल का वीराना चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, Eknath Ma'am.
Eknath, wonderful. Eknath, wonderful.
Thanks for those very hopeful words, Ashok Dada, and great songs by Nirupama Pachi and Eknath Ma'am. Eknath Ma'am is of course an active participant in Swarmala and he's appeared in all of our GPSM videos. He always sends his 2 songs every day. It's great to see you perform in this one as well. Now it's time for our third lucky draw, so I hand you over again to Rekha.
Okay, let's go and pick up the winner. I'm going to go again because I don't think Aishwarya Kulkarni is here. Her name came a little while ago and she wasn't there. If she's there, then I just want her to unmute and talk. Can I go, Prashant? Prashant, can I go?
Yeah, Rekha, go to the next one.
Yeah, okay. You can go to the next one.
Jutika Shinde. Jutika Amgal, Jutika Bhatt.
Way Hangasama. Thank you, Rekha.
Congratulations, Jutika.
Can we see you, please? Can we see you?
Thank you so much.
Okay, congratulations. Yeah, okay, great.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay. Now we have a talk by Mahesh Kalavar, followed by yet another family pack. This seems to be the running theme for this program. It will be Saket Wagmode, followed by his parents, Suvarna and Shirish Wagmode. Okay, now let's go over to Mahesh Kalavar.
Hi everyone. Congratulations to the Guru Prasad Swarmala group for organizing this virtual Zoom meet to celebrate 1 year of Anand Yatra. 4th January 2020 brings back memories of Anand Yatra, where 390 friends, old and young, from all corners met at Guru Prasad Quadrangle to celebrate a musical, entertaining evening program. After the short prayers at 4:30 p.m., it was Subhash Kamath and his team to take us through a non-stop musical evening which was participated by all Guru Prasad's friends, and most of them are probably attending and listening to this Zoom meeting. How can we forget the young Satvik Kulkarni oration in chaste English, Hindi and Marathi, and the young children holding the banner, "We love our Guru Prasad." It was also nice to see the glow and the smile on the faces of the senior citizens who were felicitated that evening. Well, that was not the end. After a lip-smacking dinner, the tempo continued till the wee hours of morning, when all the friends gathered once again, when the lights were dimmed, for some photographs and sing some songs till the wee hours of morning. This Anand Yatra 2020 set a landmark for the youngsters to form the Guru Prasad Swarmala, who entertained us during the last 10 months. My blessings and best wishes to the youngsters of Guru Prasad Swarmala group to carry this forward for many, many more decades. Wishing you all a happy, joyful and musical 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahesh. Next one up is Saket. If you got your setup ready, unmute yourself.
Okay, can everyone hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Okay, here I go. Thank you again. Hey, 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 hey.
Saket, if you got music on, we can't hear
सोचेंगे
it.
तुम्हें प्यार करके नहीं, सोचेंगे तुम्हें प्यार करके नहीं, ये दिल बेकरार करके नहीं, ख्वाबों में छुपाया तुमको, यादों में बसाया तुमको, ख्वाबों में छुपाया तुमको, यादों में बसाया तुमको, मिलोगे हमें तुम जानम कहीं ना कहीं, सोचेंगे तुम्हें प्यार करके नहीं, ये दिल बेकरार करके नहीं। Thank you. तुम हो खिलता महका सा कवल, तुम हो खिलता महका सा कवल, हम जो गाए तुम हो वो गजल, कमसिन भोला सा मुखड़ा, लगती हो चांद का एक टुकड़ा, हम कितनी तारीफ करें देख के तुमको आहे भरे, तुम सा नहीं है कोई प्यारा सनम, प्यारा सनम, सोचेंगे तुम्हें प्यार करके नहीं, ये दिल बेकरार करके नहीं। Thank you very much. Namaste.
Thank you, Saket.
Thank you.
Shirish, Galaxy J7, you're up next.
You want to say something? No? You want to say? No? God.
धुंदी कयाना धुंदी फुलान, not coming, yaar.
Sorry, there's a Wi-Fi problem. Just hang on, please.
Shirish, the audio is coming through clearly.
Yeah.
धुंदी कयाना धुंदी फुलाना, शब्द रूपाली मुख्य भावना,
धुंदी कयाना धुंदी फुलाना, शब्द रूपाले मुख्य भावना,
धुंदी कयाना धुंदी फुलाना। तुझ्या जीवनी नीतीची जागाली, मायरानिया प्रीतीची बाग आली, तुझ्या जीवनी नीतीची जाग आली, मायरानिया प्रीतीची बाग आली, तुझे आज माझ्या सुखाचा उखाणा, शब्द रूप आले मुख्य भावना, धुंदी कयाना धुंदी फुलाना।
तुझा शब्द की थेंब हवा अमृताचा, तुझा स्पर्श की हात हा चांदण्या
Does he have a problem? The network problem, Prashant?
Yeah, I think he's got a network glitch.
Freeze झाले आता गलाय. So
Okay, we'll move on to next.
yeah, we move on to next, please.
And if he comes back, we'll ask him to sing later on.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay,
We'll go to
great
Sashi
singing.
Mom's.
Yeah, pity we couldn't hear the rest of the duet. Great singing, Saket, and the two Wagmodes, Shirish and Suvarna, they've been singing duets in Swarmala for a very, very long time. We've heard them so many times. So it's good to hear them again. A big shout out to Shirish Wagmode. I'm sorry that he's not here to hear it, but he's one of the major big CC members. He's got an encyclopedic knowledge about music. Every time we look at him, behind his eyes, we see giant bookshelves of music references, record, big, huge pile of music records, cupboards full of cassettes and CDs. He's very, very good at his knowledge of music. No wonder he keeps correcting our words in songs or finding small mistakes in our background information. I might have made a few mistakes in my program today, and I'm sure I'll hear from him at the end of this. We depend heavily on his knowledge to select songs for a program or coming up with names for them. Next, we have a talk by Shashank Rajimam, followed by another family pack. Two of the three Kamath brothers, Prakash and Suresh. Let me take you over to Shashank Rajimam.
Happy New Year. I'm Shashank Raje, known as Shashi. During my childhood, I was staying in Guru Prasad until my college days. My most memories about Guru Prasad relate to the Anand Utkarsha Mandal and its activities. We used to conduct dramas, Marathi dramas especially, and one incident related to one drama which I directed, Vitthalato Alala. I remember very well. This drama started with an aarti which was enacted in a very loud voice by all. So for this scene, what I did was that in front of our Guru Prasad, there was a Kuntaiwadi, and there at every Ganesh Utsav, they used to conduct the aarti in this particular fashion, with very big noises and very big sounds and all that. So I requested them to help me with this aarti, and they participated. They actually came on the stage and participated in the drama, and that made the whole thing very interesting. So many memories of Guru Prasad I still remember, but there's not enough time for all this. But one of the most important thing I wanted to tell was this, that the most important quality that I have learned from the people in Guru Prasad during my formative years is about Sahishnutata, that is tolerance, and this has helped me throughout my life. Thank you.
Prashant, unmute yourself, Prashant.
Sorry about that. Yeah, that was a great speech. Prakash, you're up next if you want to unmute and start your song.
Hello, good evening. आवाज येतच ना रे सुभाष आवाज सावंत
Yes, it's coming.
दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही बैठे रहे तसव्वुरे जाना किए हुए दिल ढूंढता है दिल वही रात दिन जाड़ों की नरम धूप आंगन में लेट कर जाड़ों की नरम धूप आंगन में लेट कर आंखों पे खींच कर तेरे आंचल के साए को औंधे पड़े रहे कभी करवट लिए हुए दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत की रात दिन। नमस्ते, वंदे मातरम।
Thank you, Prakash. Okay, Suresh,
Yeah.
if you want to go next.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं मुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया है मुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया है कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है ये बदन के निगाहें मेरी अमानत है ये बदन के निगाहें मेरी अमानत है गेसुओं की घनी छाँव है मेरी खातिर ये होठ और ये बाहें मेरी अमानत है ये होठ और ये बाहें मेरी अमानत है Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you to both the Kamath brothers for those songs. Incidentally, both of them are very active participants in Swarmala. Prakash always submits his 2 songs per day. In spite of the longest sore throat in the history of medicine, He always apologizes for his sore throat, but he sings wonderfully. And Suresh is an expert at uncovering very unusual and very obscure songs and singing them with great confidence. I mean, how many of you have heard the song which goes, Mini Mini Chi Chi, Duniya mein Chand Suraj hai kitne? Kahan se dhoond ke laya ye gana? Now the last lucky draw of the day. I pass you again to Rekha.
Gauri Karnad. Gauri Aswatu.
I think she's the one who's clapping. She's the one who's clapping.
Thank you so much.
I think it's our bhajan that did the trick.
Yeah. I was fervently praying that we get one award.
So Arunita Khushi Zali.
Thanks, Arunita.
Okay, let's move on, Prashant.
Okay. We are roughly, I mean, this was the time we would have probably finished up, but looks like we are still going strong. We have lost some participants, but not a lot. There's still about 90 people still listening, so we'll keep going. I hope most of you stick on, but we wouldn't feel bad if you had to move on. I know it's getting rather late. Next, we have a talk by Sumati Bellare Pachi, followed by, for once, it's not a family pack. Nitin, you're not related to Prashant Ma'am, are you? Probably not. So that's probably not a family pack. Yes. So after Sumati Bellare Pachi's talk, we'll have a song by Prashant Ma'am, followed by one by Nitin.
नमस्कार, हांव सुमती बेलारे. आयज दिवस अगदी खुशीचो आम्ही सगळी एक वर्सान परत मेळटसती गुरुप्रसाद आनंद यात्रा परत एक फांता सेलिब्रेट करूक गमत येतसो. आम्ही 1916 टू बिल्डिंग नंबर 1 B3 टू आणि नंतर 1961 टू बिल्डिंग नंबर 3 N3 टू शिफ्ट जाली. गुरुप्रसादचे मस्त स्वीट मेमरीज आसती. हांव थोडें सांगूंक प्रयत्न करता. आमी हांगा सगळी सांगाती गंमत करताली, सत्संगय करताली, अजुनी करतसती. तशीची कश्टा वेळार एकमेकांक आधार दिताली. रेशनिंग आवाचे दिवसांतू दुधाचे उदकाचे वांटांतू सगळी वाडीची सान्नो हड्डो चरडो सगळी मदत करून धांवन येताली. आतांचे लॉकडाऊन पिरियडांतूय सुद्दां तशीची आधार दिलो. सगळ्यांक सिनियर सिटीजनांक मस्त हेल्प केले. आमकां काळजी घेतली. गॉड ब्लेस यू. आणि एक सांगच म्हळ्यार 80s हांवें आमगेल्या घरा पयले आर्ट्स अँड क्राफ्ट क्लासीस सुरू केल्या चांदी चेडवांक. मस्त चेडवां येवच्या लागली, बरे रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा. आणि पहिल्या संग स्कुलांतू इंग्लीश मिडियम प्री प्रायमरी स्कुलांतू टिचर आशिल्ली. घराय ट्युशन सुरू केली. आमगेर वाडीची आणि भायरची मस्त चेडवां येवच्या लागली. अशी की तांगेर प्रगती पळोवन मस्त खुशी जाता. They are all grown into mature and responsible individuals. मगेले over 25 years of teaching करियरांतू हांव मस्त चेडवांक शिकयलें. तशी की तांत लागीं म्हाका मस्त शिकूंक मेळ्ळें. अगदी प्रेमळ चेडवां. शालिनी ताई आनी महिला संघाची प्रिंसिपल सुधा गानुकर म्हाका मस्त हेल्प मेळ्ळो. हांगेले टिचींग लायनींतू तांगेलें इन्स्पिरेशन मस्त हेल्प मेळ्ळो. आज ह्या कार्यक्रमांत भाग घेवन म्हाका खुशी जाली. मगेले थॉट्स मेमरीज सगळ्यांक सांगाती शेअर करूंक अवकाश मेळ्ळो. गुरुप्रसादांत पयलीं आनी आतां प्रोग्राम जातसती आनी जातसतले घोमटे व्हिडिओज पळोवंक मेळटसती GP स्वरमालाचे रीती तांतूय भाग घेवच्याकय मेळटसो. अगदी गम्मती. तुमकां सगळ्यांक मगेले बेस्ट विशीस अँड ब्लेसिंग्स. अशीची मुखारी आमगेले गुरुप्रसाद फॅमिलीचे बरेपण जावं अशी हांव देवा लागीं आनी गुरुचरणांत प्रार्थना करता. विश यू ऑल व्हेरी हॅपी हेल्दी प्रॉस्परस न्यू इयर 2021.